buy some supply for my project. Okay, so for this project, you're gonna need about 5 frames, depending on how many you wanna make. I'm gonna need a total of 15. So they have tons of different frames, I guess, just depending on the look you're going for. I'm going more for like a mirrored look, but I need a 5x7. So, oh, it's right here, look at that. So I'm gonna get 15 of these. I hope they have 15. Oh yeah, for sure. All right, so here's my bedroom, and the area that I am so desperately wanting to fill is this here. And I have an idea of what I want to do. It's Zgallerie inspired. I just didn't know how to accomplish it, and I found a video on YouTube. And I will link her page below because she has some super cute ideas. You guys definitely have to go check her out. So yeah, let's get started. This is all you need for this project. Some 5x7 picture frames. These are all from the Dollar Tree, and you can actually get whatever color you like depending on your color scheme. I went with this chrome silver. You need some E6000 glue and some hot glue, and that's pretty much it. So now that all of the frames are clean of everything, you're gonna lay 4 of the frames out. I'm gonna lay mine out long ways. So you're gonna put them like this. And then you just wanna find something, you can take a ruler. I don't have a ruler readily available, so I just have this little box here, and I'm gonna put it right in between them just so I can space them out the exact same. And they'll be even this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get just a marker here, and I'm gonna just mark it right where it's at. This is just like a dry erase, so it'll easily come off. I'm gonna just make a little line on every little area just so I know where I'm gluing. Okay. So what I did is I went ahead and turned it around, and I'm gonna just put a little more hot glue just to secure it, because it can definitely use some securing. And then this will help it stay down. So just use some extra hot glue if you have some, just to secure it in place. And again, you guys can just use this. If you don't have E6000, you definitely don't have to use it. I just personally like to use it because it really does help it last so much longer. So that was fast. It literally took me like 5 minutes to make that. I think the unwrapping took the longest. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take some silver nails and put them on my wall, and that's how I'm gonna hang it. But look how super cute that is. It definitely looks like it's more than $5.